This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 10 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. We're doing some more stuff on the right foot, the right leg. In fact, that's a good picture to show you what we're doing. That's quite cool. So let's have a look through the magazine first, and then we'll continue building the leg. We are looking at danger shooting. I don't know. Action to the max on set. Feel free to read the words. Death of Optimus, it gets better. It's a spoiler, but you know, he dies. He dies a few times. Sideswipe, I remember the name, but not the design of him. Cool. That's that. Right, the Autobots Series 3. No, nothing jumps out at me from those. Obviously, mini kits. All very interesting. I like it. I like them. Very different things. I mean, cars a bit boring. And helicopters quite cool. Yes, so the right leg. We're doing a little bit of work on the right leg. This is a self-contained build. We're not doing it to the foot yet. I think we might be next time. But for now, we're just building some parts of the right leg. We've got a big metal bit and a little bracket, which we're going to be attaching very, very soon. But not quite yet, but let's build it. Right, this should be fairly straightforward, so we'll see just how difficult I make it. First of all, we're attaching these two pieces together. Little plug blob that goes into there. Like that. Feels like that's not gone in enough. I should have pushed that a little bit harder. Might be in. Not coming out, so yeah, I think that is in. There we have that as a joint on there. I think that's it for that. Put that aside. Then we're putting this one onto here. Which here, that way round. On there like that. Fair enough. That's quite simple. I like it when things are simple. Next up, we are just installing this bit onto there. I haven't done anything with that yet. Should that be attached to something? Should be on there. That should be on there. Why is it off of there because of me, or is it off of there just because I haven't put it on there yet? Oh no, it is a separate piece, and it does tell me to do that. I just skipped over a step. So let's put that on there. Fill in the gap. There we go. That's that. Should have done that before I did that. But there we go. That's that. Then we've got to install this onto there, so it comes through to the outside like that, and they go over there. Like that, and we need two of these screws to hold those in place. One, two, three. Obviously, always get too many out. Have to put one back in. These are very short screws with very large washers on them. I'm assuming that this is going to have another wheel attached to it, the same as we did last time on the other one, on the lower one on the foot. It's a similar sort of joint. I would expect that as the leg goes up, it's got to have 2 or 3 wheels on it in different places, isn't it? So this is going to be where one of those gets attached. So we need to make sure it's attached nice and securely, because when we push the wheel on, it's got to push on with a little bit of friction. There you go. That is that on there, and that is an issue complete. Next time, I think we're doing with the other half of this, because this is obviously only half of the thing. So we'll be building that up, and maybe even attaching it to Optimus. I don't know. I haven't cheated and looked ahead. But I do have that one, so in a couple of days, that should be available for you to watch. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.